Let's get to the point. There's a new branch of the positively viral Habanero restaurant na super sikat sa Cubao Expo. The second branch is along Roses Avenue in Quezon City, near the Timog and Tomas Morato gimmick areas. It is across the street from the equally new Citadine Hotel. Hindi mo na need pumunta sa Cubao Expo to try their viral bestsellers like the oyster sisig, three cheese pizza, and their spicy lechon. And here is their soft opening menu para hindi na kayo mahirapan. I already posted about them before on TikTok and said na worth the hype talaga sila. And I still feel the same way. And I tried one of their exclusive cocktails here sa second branch, the Habanero Piña Colada, and it was delicious. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for that first order and also paid for this current order. I only ordered one item tonight kasi super busog ako coming from a food review invite from a restaurant. The Habanero Piña Colada cost 320 pesos, and it was one of the most memorable and pleasurable cocktails I've had. It was the perfect balance of spiciness and sweetness. Parang ako, sweet pero palaban pag kailangan. Balita ko also that the Yuzu Whiskey Sour is an exclusive to this branch too, which I will try sa next visit kasi mahina ako sa alcohol and nahilo na ako after this drink. Mahirap nang mag-second drink, baka lumabas pa ang Viva Max Beast Mode ko. Share ko lang din na viral si Habanero for their food, but I wish more people talked about how great their cocktails were sa Cubao Expo. I love their butter vodka na nakakaloka talaga, may butter talaga, pero OMG masarap. Heads up lang, notorious ang long line sa Cubao Expo branch nila during Friday nights and weekends. Dito naman, when I went, may line din pero mas mabilis compared sa Cubao. Pero I have a feeling the lines will also be long sa second branch na ito kasi relatively small lang din ang size. Dahil mag-isa lang ako tonight, I got a table after a 5-minute wait. Pero kung malaki ang group nyo, willing to wait dapat kayo. May chairs outside naman thankfully. The place is definitely more sophisticated than their Cubao Expo branch and fully air-conditioned din ito thankfully kasi sa Cubao branch mostly wala except for their private room. Here's a second branch. I like the black tiled walls with matching blue chairs while other tables had orange chairs naman. Sophisticated din ang ceiling lamps nila. This second branch reminded me of a high-end bar in London actually. In terms of store layout, I would say split into two areas sila. Para kami ng ex ko split into two. On their left is their bar with matching few tables and chairs. Sa right side naman, mas restaurant feel with more tables and chairs. I would say sakto lang ang size ng restaurant. I also understand na soft opening sila and mabait naman ng staff. Pero as early as now, I really suggest to them na hopefully meron silang staff remaining palagi on each side kasi madalas walang staff present sa right side. May weird comment din ako, sana they created two bathrooms instead of a single big one. Magandang bathroom pero sayang ang space. They could have split it into two to serve more people kasi dadami ang customers nito soon because of Habanero's viral reputation na deserve naman talaga nila. Click follow for the next story.